What happens is that air enters their respiratory system very quickly due to an irritation that can be triggered by dust, pollen, smoke, detergent smells, perfumes, and even if your dog is very excited, very happy. It's much more common in brachycephalic dogs or small breeds. What can you do to help them? First, calm down. Gently stroke their throat. You can offer some water. You can even cover one of their nostrils for a few seconds very gently so that the episode passes faster. But watch out, it's not okay if they're frequent, if they last too long, if they're accompanied by fainting, discharge, or difficulty breathing. In this case, you must go to the vet immediately to evaluate the cause. If you like this information, don't forget to follow me, save, and share.